In this video, you will learn how we made $421 in last couple of hours. This is my account. This is just one of the accounts on Warrior Plus. It's not a big deal, but I'm gonna break down how you can make the same amount of money using basically 3 minutes of your time and using my artificial intelligence softwares. It's free. Links are in the description. This system is 100% free and it can be done from anywhere on the planet, and you don't need experience. You don't need technical knowledge. You don't need a website. You don't need hosting server. You don't need mailing list. You don't need a social following for this. Everything you need are in the description and they are free. But in a moment, I'm going to break it down step by step how you can start getting results like this starting today. You can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or digital currency if you want. Sounds good? So let's begin. To make money online, we use our software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos like this without the use of camera, because Epic allows us to make videos using images, links, text. When you use Epic, you don't need camera and you don't need microphone. You don't need to record your voice because Epic generates natural voice over from text. Mosh, I hate text. I don't want to write text. I get that. Don't worry. Epic has built-in artificial intelligence and it generates text using artificial intelligence completely free in just one click. So videos, voiceover, text, script, everything is done using Epic. It's free. Link is in the description. We make videos and we publish on YouTube. YouTube sends us viewers, visitors, or traffic. Now let me show you how you can get this traffic and how you can make money like this. By the way, did you notice a window somewhere at the bottom of the video where text is being generated as I speak? This is an automatic AI transcription software. It's transcribing my words. So basically, it's writing my words as I speak, and it's free. Link is in the description. Grab it. This is also one of the ways we generate content that people love and help us make money. We will get there, but let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, and social media contacts. This is extremely important because our goal of this channel is to reach 100 million people in next 10 years and help learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can't do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. This way, not only you are helping us reach our goal, but also you're helping your friends and family learn how to make money online. They will love your gesture. They will follow you, and eventually they will be the first one who will become your first customer and clients. How cool is that? This is what we do, and this is what millions of people do to make money online, and you can do it too. We need only one thing from you, is the hit in the like button and share this video. So let's start with an example. This is the first page of a $100 million per year company, ClickFunnels. You see, back in 2019, they generated over $100 million per year. Right now, it might be more. So what do they do so special that we pay $2,970 per year? Interestingly, they allow us, the users, make pages like this. What do you see in this page? It has a headline, it has a logo, it has a little text, and it has one important thing that is called an opt-in form. You see this? They are asking for my full name, my email address, and they ask me to create a password. Well, this password is not important. What's important for them is my name and contact email. So they can send me email, build a relationship with me, show me what they are, what they do, how good they are, and how they can solve my problems, and charge me money for that. Well, this is an awesome gesture, and this gesture make all of us money. Another example of lead pages is this company. They're called Lead Pages, and they charge $99 per month and for 3 sites and $49 per month for 1 site. This is totally unacceptable. Because for you, these lead pages are going to be 100% free. Not only that, this whole system will be free for you. Link is in the description. Well, here is the deal. If you are not making money yet, how can you pay for this kind of service? The answer is you can't. But without this service, you literally can't make money. But this is so crucial to make money online. Even look at the first page of Facebook. They ask, it's very hard to make money without building a list of subscribers, without driving traffic to your mailing list. Build relationship with them and then talk talk to them about what you have to offer. They will love you and they will pay you. But if the services are this expensive, $2,900 per year, then you are back to ground zero. So here is what you can do. Instead of using all this, use my software. Link is in the description. This software turns any PDF. So for that, go to freeplrdownloads.com, freeplrdownloads.com, and you can download PDF on literally any niche. Turn this PDF into your opt-in page, your lead page, and that PDF will become the lead magnet, the gift for which people are subscribing to your mailing list. And the same PDF will become your thank you page. So you don't need lead pages, you don't need ClickFunnels, you don't need to spend money for building lists. The free access to that software is in the link in the description. Now, list building problem solved. You need emails and other tools. They are also in the link in the description. Why not learning traffic secrets from the master, Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels? In his book, Traffic Secrets, he explained how to get free traffic. And one of the ways is YouTube. And currently, the best of the best and the easiest way to get traffic for free from YouTube is 1-minute videos, YouTube Shorts. Look at the example. I just searched with what is, and there are so many videos getting millions of views about this video is about what is this video about. And yes, we use our software Epic to build what is videos and how to videos. We publish them on YouTube. YouTube send us free traffic. Why? Because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is heavily competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So anyone who is making short videos, YouTube is sending them massive viewers and massive traffic. Then we do one more thing. We ask our viewers, hey, if you want a better solution or if you want to use our tools that we are using, click the link in the description or in the first comment. People love our content, they click our links, they join our mailing list using the opt-in pages we build using my software, which is basically a PDF report, and then we build relationship with them by sending awesome emails. My email templates are in the description for free, and look at the money we make. This is the exact same thing what ClickFunnels does, and they make $100 million per year. This is the same thing Facebook does, and they make billions per year. And you have all the tools that we use, links are in the description. You can make money too. Go ahead, grab all of them and start making money from today. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here is a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend, and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And we will see you in the next video.